Flight of the Navigator, world speed record attempt circumnavigating the Earth.
Well, after 5 years of very careful construction of the aircraft, it's now come down to 3 hours of blatant destruction of the wall that sits behind me. And that is the thing that's getting in the way between the aircraft leaving the workshop and going to the paint shop on Tuesday next week, and it getting into the back of the lorry. There was a choice. It was either to have a crane to lift it over the top of the house. That was very expensive, so in the end we've gone to the cheaper option, which is a sledgehammer, a pair of glasses and a wall that will no longer be there. Proof that it has been used. Barbecue's down. That was the easy bit because it was pretty damp. Now for the wall, which is the difficult bit. We've measured up and the aeroplane will just go between the gap that's left. So another hour of smashing things to pieces. Well, that's the hard bit done. One wall, one barbecue demolished, and then in 4 days' time we'll see if the aeroplane fits between it. But at the moment it's looking good, so fingers crossed, last few days, last few bits to get the aircraft ready for painting, and then it's off to RAF Marham on Tuesday, and we'll see it 3 weeks after that. To keep up to date with the Flight of the Navigator project, visit our website or check out the Facebook page.